let's continue. In last video, we just finished exploring the project creation, setting up your perspective, and adding some model content. We are still in the started. So let's come to our mind map. So we are in the getting started, sample working in project. So within this video, we hope to go through some more the contents. It's how to view, how to publish content, just to understand some the method, and also how to navigate and searching within your project. It will also mention collaboration and sharing. So let's working on this. So we stopped here. In the last video, we can use imported image to make our the elements. So let me see whether I can make that back to set our default image. No, no. Shall I remove this default appearance? Reset to default? No, so I cannot remove the use panel, enable, select, enable view, default property. Where I can find the image I put. I think that is interesting. So this one is some linking, and this one default select an alternative. Can I say delete? You have to delete this. So are you sure you wish reference will lose their reference? But I don't want to delete. I want to remove this back to the default. I think that let's just try to use help. I try to did this. So let's see, I want to remove image usage to search from the help. And I suppose how to use our image will be popping up. I want this using the image manager. So I just read is delete. Delete is the delete the image, not from the part. It's this sentence. If you do not want the element to continue have a default image or an alternative image, assign this to none option. So let's try to do that. So right click, feature, select an alternative. Then I assign this and OK. OK, so that's back to our original this notation. So that is just our tactic, which not shown in this user guide, but you can see whenever you have some questions, try to dig out through the searching by help or search through those resources. So within your content, EA provide a range of ways to view the content that you and others has added to the repository. So that's the property. Many of those also allow you to create content. Some view are suitable for full range of technical and non-technical people. The great thing about a view is when you update information in one view, it immediately reflects to all other views. So that's perfect. So that is the alternative view available for property. So let's see what are the diagram property. appearance. So it's here. That's here. Workspace. Looks like that's the diagram compartment object, the order. Where is those? Let me see. Elements. We don't need to show elements. Let's see where is the property diagram. How that can be shown. Alternative view. Layout. This user guide still need you try to find out something yourself. Design, hide diagram, glossary, no. But I think I can close this. These are the custom toolbar. It's not what we need. Can close. It's the diagram. Here is a start page, not this. Add diagram is no. Layout. Property window. From the diagram property window, let me open our diagram. This is the diagram. And right click. Let me see the property. It's not the same. So diagram, appearance. Oh, I remember from here. We can show that's the workspace. Oh, property. I hope it's I can select the property. Yeah. Let's have a look what's inside. The screen layout is still not easy to use. So now this is the diagram. And display as. Let's see the appearance. This one. So display as our diagram or as our specification. If come to here, our diagram is okay, and property window is not having the case icon back. But I can make this back. Then if I click this, now I can see here. And display as list again, we have that relation matrix. That is the interesting part. Oh, so that is a table on the element to element with our column and row with the relationship name. Construct view. We don't have any construct for now, so that is no need to have. So that is a weaving. So diagram view, so that is our status of the application, color used. This is the application based on the life cycle with those different application and the life cycle with comments. List view. It's like this, we already have that. So let's see a list. I have two items. So you can back to here or you can come switch back. Only in the specification, they have the different this tab, so you cannot back from here. So you can back from this one and back to the diagram. It's still a diagram. So which means is if you choose a specification, it's open another property window. If you choose others, they are still, I think Gantt is same. So they're still in the same diagram window and you can switch in with this display matrix. So that is the matrix specification. And we added this as in Word. Traceability. Here is our traceability. So we can trace this from this one, implement requirements realized by. So another direction to realization is the implementation. Chart and Gantt. So that's the view. Then we move to the publishing. We haven't tried this, so let me save our model. Sharing your model by either giving people access to your repository, or if your model are hosted by the Pro Cloud, give people browser-based view. Oh, that should be the mobile app. I haven't tried, but I will do. It's the easy way to publish. Therefore, there will, however, be circumstances when you need to create a formatted document for regulatory or contractual reason. Range of publishing. Let's go to the publish. I think it's a model repo. The easiest way to get standard start to use the customer document. This one. Use this feature, you can create a document based on a template and add any content. So document name. So the requirements sample. So package, I use over this package. And then see that this is the template. Custom default audit, interactive plan, project checklist, or BA bulk, technology templates. They put this BA bulk in the technology, so that's an interesting system. Let's just use the defect audit. Then we have this one, so that is what we get, our audit templates. So based on this, but there's no contents loaded because our requirements is not coming from these defects. So maybe let's choose another one. Oh, but I think we should already add something here. So that repo is already in our repository. Shall we have a chance to change templates? No. Let me see here. Update style. That's just the style. Update element. Track change. So let's read all and then do another sample. So requirements sample to see which templates we can show our requirements. Requirements approval. So let's see, this should have something, but our content doesn't come in. So just try more. Project check mission integration. So no. Portion business analysis. It's a use case come to the requirements. Use case model documents. Let's see whether these have something. Requirements. But our content doesn't come in. So it gave you some publishing the templates. We will try more when we have the elements within our model, and navigate and searching browser. The browser window is your go-to. This we always here. to navigate around the model. Our model is quite simple now. It's having the package, having the element, have the diagram, some template-based published documents. Navigation bar is this one. So that have the hierarchy. So I'm now in this requirements use case mapping under this model. And we can find the package, navigation cell, allow you create any number of navigation diagram that contain navigation. So navigation cell that user can click and go to straight toward this. This same cell are available through the web-based tool WebEA and Prolaborate. Top level navigation diagram. Model search, find in project. You can launch search in model feature, use the default setting under keyword such as found. Search model, let's close this. Close this. Search model. Oh yeah, that's the model search here. Let me close this. Finding project. Let's make C is the case. So that coming from, we have this package name. Have the case, we have our use case with the naming, have the case, and the type is a use case. So I think that is a quite direct idea is how you can do this navigation and search. Let's see the collaboration. Even I'm using this standalone, but we can see the collaborate. Let's see the collaborate in journal, collaborate is this one, and also model home, model place, model library, calendar. We can have the discussion, discuss on this view. I found this good start. Okay, when you press enter, it's having this new discussion now. We can review, we can journal today and the calendar. So this calendar, we can add new events, like Outlook calendar. So that's, and what's the email? Disable inbox. So we need to configure the email first, I think. We have chat, diary. So review history, journal. And getting help, we already mentioned these three buttons, home, library. We enabled our library earlier video. And you can get the help. We already tried to use search help to get some the information. And the search. Search is here. Search present, browse for. This is browse, and this is the search file or search model. Present diagram. Simple model search feature, look for user words. or property that the user is not able to click. Setting up selecting a help button. So this help, I didn't find that. Let me close this, close. Where is this? It's on the scenario. I don't have this button. But I believe we will be able to touch base on this help there when we have the real the case to do. So for now, looks like it's we don't get that part. And here is the tool. It's interesting. I see JavaScript and also JScript, VB script. So that means we can have some scripting tool to make this console opened. But how we can utilize that, we will need to have some idea. So like here, we have some local script, chart automation. So I think is that also pre-built by Sparx system. So when they have those class defined, I think we can use our scripting tool to load for that. So this one, I remember there's also a dedicated chapter later on having those one. So where to next? We will have some base idea for Sparx systems. And now it's time to plan the evolution of repository and how you can add additional content. The following section lists down something that we can try to use as the sample. So creating model view, creating browser package structure, define navigation page, import content. Then I think now we are moving to a tutorial modeling session. So this session from our parts is this one. So for this one, we will see kind of I hope is they are listed on some samples that we can use our new repository to build together. From this video, we see in the trial edition, we make our few the touch base understanding, and in the past two videos, we go through certain the menu position and try to familiar with the user interface. And then here is a tutorial for us to do the modeling. I hope we can finish this in a few of coming videos altogether. See you then.